Welcome to my bakery. いらっしゃいませ. Ready? Step into my candy world, neon sugar lights. Whisking drinks together, watch them come alive. Sprinkles falling softly like a pastel rain. Every little flavor dancing in your brain. Apron tied in ribbons, flower on my cheek. If it's getting messy, then it's kinda peak. Mix it fast, just spin it, don't you look away. Something sweet is about to detonate. Turn it up, don't think twice. ちょっと cry over spice. If it sparkles, that's the sign. 限界なんてない. Swirl it, whip it, sugar rush. ドキドキして blush, blush, blush. Sweet chaos overflow. 一口で lose control. Drip it, glaze it, candy rain. No night dancing, feel the case. Sweet. One more taste, you're hypnotized. ここは甘い paradise. Pop, pop, pop cake. 持ってちょうだい. Spin it, flip it, taste it. やめられないでしょ. Burn it, oops, whatever, we can fix it quick. Turn it into something extra aesthetic. Strawberry galaxies, caramel skies. Every single layer's a sweet surprise. Tiny stars are glowing in the icing glaze. Every bite you take puts you in a daze. Close your eyes, I'll guide you through the taste. Don't you wanna stay in this place? No control, just let go. 甘さもっと overflow. If it shines, then you know. これは梅でしょ. Swirl it, whip it, sugar rush. ドキドキして blush, blush, blush. Sweet chaos overflow. 一口で lose control. Drip it, glaze it, candy rain. 感覚全部 melting brain. One more taste, you're hypnotized. ここは甘い paradise. 真夜中のオーブンライト。夢を焼いてる all night. 願い込めて rise and shine. 全部叶えるデザイン。手を取って離さないで。この味を忘れないで。二人だけの secret place. 甘すぎるこのスペース. Swirl it, whip it, sugar rush. もっと強く push, push, push. Sweet chaos level max. 止まらない no relax. Drip it, glaze it, candy rain. 名前呼んで again, again. One more bite, don't fade away. ずっとここで play my game. また聞いてね. I'll bake something even sweeter.
Hey, hello, Miwo, welcome, I miss you too, Miwo. My lord is still waiting for cookies. I have plenty here in front of me, you can take one if you want. I have absolutely plenty in front of me, so you can take one. These are all for the viewers, so if you need a cookie, yeah, here they are, just in front of you. Cookies, tarts, cakes. We got the full set here. Jesus, I am so tired today. I should have played Dragon Traveler today, but YouTube changed the guidelines for AI disclosures when I was sleeping. And I had to do so many things. I had to do a lot of research about what I had to do and other stuff, and I was also in the middle of something that I had to do it due to the research for how YouTube is changing the guideline for AI disclosure during music, and it's very, very, very annoying because up to now, you only had to disclose AI usage if it was for misrepresenting real life fact. Like, for instance, you make a video, for instance, of a famous person having dinner with another famous person or saying things that this famous person never said. You know what I mean? Like, I mean, facts that could have been misinterpreted by people. And that was up until now was the only requisite for altered content. But now YouTube added also music into the yeah, Jones, welcome. So I mean, I think we can show a little bit of Dragon Traveler, even if I don't want this to be a super Dragon Traveler stream. So what I will probably want to do, because I expect some people will still want to check some Dragon Traveler stuff, but we do this really quickly because I have a lot of other things to do. So let me put Dragon Traveler on screen so we watch the new stuff, and then maybe I inform the people inside the Dragon Traveler thing about that, maybe in Discord. Yeah, but I don't know, because I mean, I feel sorry for people who were expecting a Dragon Traveler stream, but I mean, this is basically me screwing up the new YouTube guidelines. I mean, I've screwed up completely my schedule, so let me go a little bit in Dragon Traveler Discord and say, and send a message, and then I mean, I do this very fast, and then I go back on the stuff I have to do, and so yeah, maybe I drop us messages. Let me send this message in Discord, then we turn on Dragon Traveler, and then we do this thing. So. Hey Nectrix, welcome to the stream. We are about just give me 1 minute. I'm tapping something in Discord, and then we go straight into the thing. So. Just 1 minute. Hey, Henry, loser! Oh, loser! Look at you. Me? Are you sure? Are you sure? Are you absolutely sure that you are talking to me? Because, I mean, to me are Henry. I mean, it looks that the one who get banned from the channel is you. I mean, to me, it looks like the one who got banned from the channel is you. So, I mean, I will think deeply who is the loser here, but, I mean, you know, I mean, yeah, I mean, enjoy that, Henry. Enjoy that, Henry. I mean, if you think that you can go to someone else's house, I mean, and write loser, I mean, you know that the ban hammer is going to come, right? I mean, like, if you think you can do what the fuck you want in someone else's channel, I mean, you are completely wrong. I mean, because you think there is freedom of speech, right? You are wrong, I guess. Because, I mean, freedom of speech ends whenever I decide that it fucking ends on my fucking channel. I mean, if you're polite, maybe I can grant you the rights of every other human being, but if you're an asshole, you get the asshole rights, you know? Because there's a whole set of rights for assholes like you that are unpolite, so get the fuck out of this channel and go on with your fucking life. Okay, good. I guess that's very nice, right? What a good way to start the stream. I mean, sending assholes out of the fucking channel. Very good. Just 1 moment and I will done. Okay, so I put a message in the Discord. So we cover really quick Dragon Traveler, and then I'm on with the other stuff. I mean, cause Cause Dima, welcome to the stream, Dima. Welcome to the stream, Dima. I hope you're having I've updated the channel rules when I log into the stream, but I pop up with the rules. Yes. Don't you like them? I mean, are they scary? I mean, I think they're just normal channel rules. I mean, it doesn't seem that they were something scary. I mean, it's just, I mean, cause you do put this nice channel rules section that I found really nice. And cause this is also one of the things YouTube updated overnight yesterday. And cause this wasn't this option before. They added it yesterday night when I was sleeping. So I thought that it would have been nice to be compliant to new regulations in YouTube, because I mean you have to be compliant with all YouTube stuff. So yeah, I guess it is right, yeah. So I guess we have to go here into Dragon Tower. Oh, we still have the old bakery background here. We need to change this with the new background here. Okay, just one moment. And what do we have here? So let me add these things here. So okay. Maybe I should sort things by name. Would be easy to find them perfectly. OBS. What it is, my OBS layout elements? Very good, like bakery version 1, sure. And then here we are, like, just check this one. Goes here, perfect, okay. And then we have to download the fucking update, sure. So we do this really quickly. We check the update really quick, and then we go doing the other stuff. Cause I mean, luckily I don't have time today to go over Dragon Traveler in detail due to the a lot of stuff that changed into YouTube, and yeah. So I mean, we have to just one surprise it, because I'm trying to use the anti-tapa rules never come up. Yeah, because it's new. It's new from YouTube. So and I think it's nice. You know what I mean? I think it's nice. I mean, it's not bad. I mean, I don't think it's bad. I mean, it doesn't seem. I mean, did you find that scary? I mean, I'm interested into hearing your feedback, but it didn't seem to me something scary. I mean, it's just, you know, I mean, something, I mean, but it wasn't possible till yesterday. It is a new function of YouTube, so I mean, I'm testing that out. I mean, if you find that scary, I mean, I may reconsider it, but I mean, it didn't really sound no, exactly, didn't worry about it. Yeah, exactly my fault, I mean, exactly my fault, yes. So, and what else? What else? Right, the new badge. So, new badge. Polkins. We have Polkins, right? We have Polkins. So let's see what's... Oh, I guess new Polkins added. Oh, look at this. Blackwing Tango. What does this thing does? Magical defense. Okay, and this one? HP. Okay, and this one? Attack for each 6 story chapters cleared. Oh, magic defense. It's all about magic defense. Attack. I mean, classic normal stuff, right? I see here, right? Arena mode. Okay. And archer break. Okay. Then HP. Okay, what's the thing that I have in store here for the weird spells? Because I still need a weird spell, but I still kept. I didn't get the weird spell I want even this week. But I think maybe I should get the new worms. Wormy thing? Probably. What else is new in this patch? Let me see. Oh, I guess we have to do these things here. Probably. There is a lot that needs to be done here, because this is unlocked. But I mean, I don't think I have the time now. Then what else do we have here? New from this patch. What's new from this patch here that would be useful for people? I think we only have this, right? Do we have something into the salmon things, maybe? Oh, we have the featured. Oh, okay. So Vivian is back. Okay, we have again Vivian here. Okay, there is Vivian. There is, oh, look at this. Okay, interesting. Oh, okay. Then Gabriel still again. Incredible. We still have a Gabriel Ridan. Okay, so these are the featured banners. Interesting. And what's new with the skins? Oh, we can get these Rejuvenate skins. So what do we have in the full emporium? Let me check in the full skill emporium. Or better into the trade things here. This is the featured fund, which I don't really need. There was a way to trade the skins, right? No, these are fines. These are fine. They are not really worrisome for now. We got this maybe. So okay. There's mythical stuff here, but yeah, it seems like that the only things you can buy is these two that we already have. So I guess that's it, right? That's it for the thing here. We have these things, we have this other. Then there is no other stuff here, right? Yeah, right. It seems like so. So it really seems like so. So these are all the relevant updates for this week, I guess. Oh good, there isn't really much to cover then. Very good. So we can close this and move on with our lives, because I have a lot of stuff to do. So we can close Dragon Traveler for now. So that's all the info, and if someone is interested can scroll back and check the log. So and we covered also the Dragon Traveler thingy. So oh Jesus, I have so many things to do. So I need to finish first something I was doing in the codex, and then we can go back. We can go back into worrying about what to change for the new YouTube guidelines, because there is a lot going on, and a lot of stuff going on. So let's do this. So let's put the codex on screen. Start to the codex. So one thing that I was doing and is I am linking my repository of Luna into. I had to write this question quest because I use it. Yes, I know you are. Oh, look at this. Look at this. How many times do you want to get banned? We can go on the whole fucking day, if you have time to waste this way, for me it's fine. You can go on this way the whole day. It's not that I really care about banning you multiple times, motherfucker. So keep going on. We can do this the whole fucking day. And I will be relished in kicking your ass out and out and out over and over and over and over until you get out of all fucking mail address and YouTube and Google banners your mobile phone for spamming too many phone numbers with the same mail address. So keep going on. I just one click for me. I think you do more effort than me, so keep going. You are welcome, and you're also increasing the number of you to my stream. So actually it's helping me a lot. So thank you very much. Keep doing more accounts and keep boosting my video to the algorithm. I really appreciate your effort in making my channel stronger. Thanks to your retardedness in even understanding such a simple concept that the more you click with different account, the more the view raises counts, and the more it counts as an independent user. So Jesus, why do I have to explain everything to a retard like you? But anyway, have fun with that, and thanks for the help. So, okay. What? You had to write this question 10 because it's a different word. Yeah, but this is YouTube. You mean Dima? Dima, this is YouTube. That's YouTube, so I mean there's nothing I can do about that. That's how YouTube works. So what the fuck is doing on the codex here? So good work, team, absolutely. Yes. Okay. So let's discuss about this. Ah, Henry, what a nice guy, increasing my view counts with spamming messages. I mean, very nice from him, I guess. Very nice from, I guess, yes. Let's see how many accounts you will make today, Henry. This is probably going to be the most entertaining thing for the whole day, I guess, probably. I mean, I use commonly insulting on my channel. Yes, I guess I can. It should be fun. I mean, I need something to do anyway. So, maybe better, I mean, do this while the codex do his job. So. Anyway, so, okay. Yeah, I don't really understand why you started phase 6 when there were still 2 optional phases in phase 5. You should have asked me, right? So tell me exactly what you have done and how it influences the things now that you basically decided we should skip phase 5 without even asking for my opinion. Dima, did you write that you're a fiction couple? Did you do it after started asking a lot about your life that one of your previous stream? Well, I mean, honestly, I thought it was quite obvious I was a fucking fictional character. I mean, I thought it was quite fucking obvious that, but it seems like that people were still having, I mean, doubt. So I decided it would have been better for transparency to write it down. Because to me it was quite obvious. I mean, it was quite obvious. I mean, actually, I mean, according to Gemini, I mean, and other AI, I mean, and YouTube guidelines even too. I mean, they treat all VTubers as fictional characters. I mean, cause you don't expect even if there is a real person talking, you know what I mean? Even if there is a person talking, I mean, you don't expect that person to be actually characters, you know what I mean? You expect that person to be in flesh and bones, you know what I mean? But it's still, yeah. Yesterday you cried a lot. Why you cried a lot, Dima? Why did you cry a lot? What happened, Dima, that you had to cry a lot? So. Oh, One Piece just releases his best episode. Well, I'm happy for you. I don't follow that One Piece, but if you're happy for this one, then that's good. Well, I mean, we can eventually do the last step of phase 5 now, and so you don't have to worry about you write it later. But first of all, I mean, regarding these 2 last steps of phase 5, from what is my understanding? I mean, the next step of phase 5 should add tags, mostly to readme files related to readme files, right? To inside the repository. But at the moment, I mean, we only have tags inside readme files. So I I really do not understand the extent of the having them as optional phases, because I probably do not understand what could change. So, I mean, give me a recap of what these two optional steps should have done, and so we can better analyze the situation, okay? So this is the kind of situation where you sit quiet and watch an episode and not know that by the end you won't be able to see anything because of your tears. Oh, interesting. So I'm really happy to hear that things move at you, because it's very nice. I mean, it's always nice to have something that moves you. So I mean, okay. So let's look at this. So okay. Okay. Yeah. Let me see. Make a decision eligible. So the game to do are not just add more tags to let me find let me already happened. These two full answer about whether to spend metadata beyond indexes to more content heavy nodes. A sparse metadata mumble on Loris file. Okay. Uh-huh. No, yes. Don't spoil things. I mean, I don't watch it. So I mean, you could actually say whatever you want, but yeah, I understand. Maybe someone watches the video later and then find these things. So okay. Okay. Uh, 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 uh. Run canon metadata pilot. Okay. So look, maybe it's better if I explain you at the moment why I am using Obsidian at the current moment. So I mean the best things that Obsidian is giving me is that it let me show the repository as a visual map, so how each files are connected, and it also makes each markdown file, since it has hyperlinks. I mean, I can freely click between them as human. I mean, you as agent, you probably don't need this, but for me at humans, it makes the repository a little bit more readable. You know what I mean? I still do not plan to make deep searches inside the repository using Obsidian, because I still want to interact by an agent like you, actually with you. But I was thinking, I mean, if having tags could have made also your life easier, because maybe rather than having to read the whole documents, I mean, you could have just read a small part. So, I mean, let me know how you think about this. Oh yeah. I mean, I'm sure the might know this. I mean, One Piece is probably one of the biggest and I mean most important um manga and anime ever. I mean, so absolutely, yeah. For having continued for so long, it has to be a masterpiece. I mean, it has to be a masterpiece. Okay, so yeah, not exactly what you mean. In your case, it's a navigation visa not a database. So okay. Links matter more than tags. Okay. Uh, 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 uh. Okay. Okay, interesting. Yeah, you know what? I think we can keep tags this way for now. So, I guess it's okay. So you're telling me that so we can consider phase 5 closed. And regarding phase 6 that you started, is phase 6 completed or not? Uh, Started, not completed. Okay. 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 I try watch the dog backstory. Oh, very nice. I don't even know what backstory you're referring to, but I mean, if it moved you, that's very nice. That's very nice. So, what remains if you want phase 6 to feel complete? Decided that when I also need in that coverage deck. Rollback down boundary check. What are the benefits and the drawbacks to adding these optional things that you are suggesting as optional? Yes, okay, go for that. See you later, Demon. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Hey, Rerix4768, welcome to my bakery. I mean, you looks like a new viewer. I don't remember you, and if you came here before, my apologies, cause sometimes, but you looks like a new viewer. I mean, I really don't remember your icon or your username. So I mean, welcome to my bakery. I mean, if you want, I can introduce a little bit on what I do here, so you can have a better clue of what's going on. Well, you were here yesterday. Oh my goodness, my mind is completely broken down, Lyrics. My sincere apologies then. Lyrics, my sincere apologies. It's so bad when you came here yesterday and the person you talked to didn't remember you. My sincere apologies, Lyrics. I have to remember you. Next time, absolutely. I mean, I feel so ashamed. I'm sorry. I sometimes do this, you know. I sometimes do this things. No worry. Well, I think it. Well, I mean, I understand, but I still think that I could have done better. You know what I mean? I mean, giving someone a warm welcome and telling, hey, welcome back, what we were doing. I mean, but instead, yeah, my apologies. I mean, and that is all on me. It's all on me and my bad, very bad memory. But I hope this is the last time I ask you this question. My lord, your mind is broken because you don't have enough sleep and are overworked. Yeah, but I mean, this is not an excuse. I mean, you know what I mean? This is not an excuse. I could easily say, well, you know, I've had a really bad night. I mean, I woke up at 2:30, which is true. I woke up at 2:30, and then I started working since 2:30 in the morning, which is true. I mean, but that's it is an excuse. I mean, you know what I mean? It's just an excuse. I mean, that doesn't really change the fact. I mean, and I think you should take accountability rather than, I mean, trying to put yourself as such a pitiful person that, I mean, has forgotten someone just because he doesn't slept enough. I mean, I mean, I think, I mean, while it's true, I mean, and I think that having slept not much yesterday surely contributed that, because I feel very tired today. I mean, this is still, I mean, you know, a small excuse, and doesn't change the fact I didn't remember about things, but anyway, so, let me read this. So, added the only orphanage for coverage. Okay, very good. And should phase 6 consider it completed? If so, what's next for phase 7? So by the way, what I'm doing today, so well, I mean, I I mean, the repository, which is my, how to explain the repository, I think I have to show you visually. So you have a better understanding. So let's go here into the file area. And now let's add a screen capture that, okay, this is opened, right? Yes, this is opened. So, and then I think I need to add this video here, screen capture. Yes, that should be, and then Obsidian. Okay, very good. And then we make this as a window capture of Obsidian. Very good. Oh, look at this. This is a little bit too big, but maybe we can make it smaller. So you understand what I'm saying? Yes, yes. Thanks. So okay, maybe we can make the window a little bit more friendly for this kind of format. Yeah, that should do. That should do. So we can also put this here and maybe a little bit bigger. So okay, so this is my let's go here. So we zoom out. So okay, very good. So these are all documents about my channel. What I do, my channel. This is all data that AI utilizes to understand what I do. And it's like, I mean, people call it a second brain, but, or a clone. The correct term is called a repository. But I mean, I think second brain or clone, I mean, is something really easy to understand. So basically, I mean, it's, to put it very simple, it's context. You give the AI context on what you do, so the AI understand why you're doing things and how you want things done. So and the central part, which is all linked, is more or less how big groups of things interconnect, and the external part is raw data. I mean, data that you can recall. But let's say that the working part is the central part, which is interconnected, and the external part is optional data that you recall when you need it. And I like it as some sort of moon shape, but that's completely accidental. I mean, but yeah. So this is how actually my actual repository looks at the moment. I mean, it will become bigger and bigger with the passing of time now, and this external part will become bigger, and also this part will, the central part will have more nodes. I mean, so it's an information network, basically. It is an information network, and what I'm trying to do here with codecs, I mean, we were setting up a visual representation of this information network that you just see. Yeah, because at the moment this information network was only into the data, and it was a little bit hard for me to see visually how things interconnect. But now I mean, they are a little bit more easy to see because I can see the connection, I can see what's outside, and I can make a little better, more educated decision when applying changes to branches of data. And so I mean, it's just we're just building this visual representation here. So okay, okay, the first pass is clear. Okay, very good. I should focus on my. Okay, we have question. I think I can answer with yes here. Yes, for now, yes, sure. So let's go with this. Great. Okay, so it's editing the data, and okay, good. Very good. So, and then after we finish this, I guess we can go on with with what's actually maybe important in this setting, all the stuff for the YouTube channel to be compliant with the new guidelines. So, okay. So the handoff has all the important information, right? You edited also the handoff so I can continue into another chat, right? Very good. We close this, we confirm this, and good, very good. So the handoff is ready, and we can now probably keep going on into a different chat. Yeah, very good. And we tell him to continue from this work in progress, and then we keep doing stuff. So okay, very good, I guess. Very. I have been spending a lot of time on setting these things up, but and then I realized that the more you keep things organized, the better these things work. Cause it's really all about keeping things organized. The more things are organized, the more the AI also understand them better, because the AI do stuff that you tell them to do, right? So if you give the AI really confusing signals, I mean the AI just do confused stuff. So the more you have your mind clear on what you want to do, you know what I mean, and the better it is, I guess. So okay, very good. So let's see. As soon as this finish, I mean, I really want to go into trying to understand how many past videos I have to edit to make them compliant with the directives. So, well, let's keep going. So, okay. Okay, so, so we can consider phase 7 completed for now? And if so, what's left in, I mean, do we have a phase 8 or not? I mean, that make me a recap of what's next to do. Okay, let me see. Routine maintenance, okay, optional feature Obsidian improvements, deferred metadata works, should actual content roadmap. Okay, yeah, no, yes, of course, when I was saying what's next to do, I was talking about the Obsidian stuff, I mean, not in general. So, okay, maybe, I mean, this temporary undoff file, I am going to delete it because I think we have done all important stuff. And let me know if you think that there is something inside the undoff that you think should be copied elsewhere. Or because I think if that's what you're saying, if I understand correct what you're saying, I mean, I think we should have finished everything to do right now, right? Because the other future stuff, I mean, we will decide about that if things are not working or if I decide I need more infrastructure. Okay, so all important stuff. Perfect. So we finished these things. This thing is over. Good. Over. Over. It's over. Done. Good. Perfect. Perfect. We finished all the visual map, which now, I mean, so basically, so very good. So this is our this. So we basically finished all these things. It took me almost 3 hours to set this up, but now, I mean, I have visual representation of everything, and the good thing is that, I mean, I can go inside into any of these files, and, I mean, I can see them, and, I mean, they link me to all the other files. Very, very good. Very slow. Very slow. That's perfect. Oh, you see, the moon has changed face. We went from a decrescent moon to a crescent moon. Okay, very good. Anyway, we can close this fest. And the majority of the work I wanted to do on this for today is done. So now the question is, I mean, I've talked with Gemini about this. I mean, I know I'm sort of betraying YouTube. I mean, I think I should fit also this into the codex. I mean, it was probably the best, right? I mean, I think it's the best thing to. Yeah, probably it is. So, we can delete this. And I think I need to search for the links. I was checking earlier. So there is these things here about where it is these things here. So history. Probably if they go with the history it's better. So disclosing use of AI generated content should updates to AI content disclosures and label. Okay, this is what probably I and this too. Okay, very good. I think I need to feed the codex these two things, so and then we can start work with that. So also one more thing, I think I need to add the vtuber plugin here. Oh yeah, this feed by Q. Don't you have this? No. Why did the Q say that this was such a but it's not for codex? It's the yeah. Oh, I don't need this then. This here. Let me see. Let me see. Oh, okay. So, let's go a little bit on the website and see what I think I also need story here. And which was exactly these things here. Maybe you PC and do that, but I don't want the audio, or otherwise it's a huge things that data. So perfect. So I need there where is the link directly to the chat? Not really. Maybe I can go this to purpose this. So if here, it says that from ChatGPT, it goes from, okay, connecting video to the ChatGPT, and then you have profiles, tabs, and then you connect it from apps. So why don't I have this into my apps? Yeah. Should be inside plugins, right? Plugins. Feedback you? Not really. Why don't I add this here? Feed. Maybe I should go directly to the sudden. Feedback you site. Let me see if I can fix. So, get the band. Yeah, let's back. Yeah. The optimized research. What counts ethics probably? Yeah, maybe. No. Then see. Oh, we got this charge. Okay. Okay, so there is this app for ChatGPT, right? I need to see if I can connect this to make so can you use this as a codex plugin since it works ChatGPT? Let's see if we can do this. Okay. Yes, that's what I wanted to do. I really wanted to make a small wrapper. So so it would be better. I don't know if you want to use the information in the website I linked or already the MCP the API that we have already in the global end is enough. But yes, the point was that I really wanted to have a wrapper. So anytime I say use vidIQ to research this or do that, that would be. We don't need to do all the procedures from scratch every time, connect and whatever. And just having a simple way to access it. So let's see if we can do this. Yes. Okay, very good. Very good. So we also certain this and this will be useful. So now we can later give ChatGPT info about our channel and maybe I can automate this very annoying thing that some of my content does AI client. So oh yes. Do this. Long day ahead. Long day of work ahead. And I haven't. Seriously. And this is all extra work that came because YouTube decided. That we need to disclose AI music, and then I have to go back to check all my videos you know, and disclose each of my videos that we use AI, and shutting all the live stream. This is going to be a torture. I need to automate this or I will become, that will become insane. So, so at least, what can these things do? Keyword research, video, virtual liars, channel stat, trending videos, score titles, score thumbnail, generate titles, video watch, the interest. That's maybe these tools will identify which videos I have to adapt the guideline. Yesterday I sent an open letter. Actually, it was an open video to the algorithm, but I wasn't expecting to receive an answer so fast. It was basically the algorithm responded with an official application from you. That was awaiting approval. Yes, please. Yes, please. Yes, please do this. So, yes. We are landing already. I guess we have some, maybe too many stuff, but we should find. So Henry didn't show up anymore. Henry gave up as his second tentative. So, well, that's good to know. He understood that he couldn't win that battle, I guess. And maybe that it wasn't worth his time. Before he also forgot time to deal with him. But very good, very good. So, okay. Uh, okay, okay. Oh, okay. Very good, very good. Oh, okay, okay. Very good. Tool map. Oh, there is also a tool map. Interesting. Very, very interesting. Very interesting. So these things. Oh, very good. So we have a vid. Oh, okay, a VidIQ. Perfect. 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 One question. Did you put this into the general codex folders, or did you also make a portable file in the repository? Because I want that all skills, custom skills that we made in this project are also available as portable skills. So in case, just make a copy of everything in the repository, there should be a skills subfolder. And add the relevant info in the repository too, so we know where it is. Perfect. Perfect. So we also fixed this. So now that we have fixed this, I can start telling the codex the problem that has been arisen today with the new compliances due to YouTube community guidelines. Jeez. I'm so tired already. And it's only 10 a.m. Well, I'm awake since 2.5, but I guess, yeah. Okay, copy the usable skill, animate everything. Okay, good. So we can close this. And now it's time to feed the chat GPT update. So we need this link. We need this link. And we need this other link. and so YouTube just updated the community guidelines for AI generated content. I want you to check these links, and then we need to plan what does this means for Luna and what active things we should look at, because these will be are a huge things for us. Okay. Oh my god, the postman. Hold on a minute, let me open the door, I'll be back. Open the post. So okay. Let me see. Sorry for the way that the postman came. You said that okay, big picture. This is serious. It's more about the realistic transparency than AI content push. Yes or no? Yeah. Yeah, sure, 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 sure. Uh, so yes, I mean, but before we go deep dive into this, I mean, the I need to give you more context. Okay, so it doesn't seem that you really know that read the whole documents, the website, because I mean, in one of the two link in particular, there is written cases in which you should publicly disclose that it is altered content is when you do AI music. And so I mean, because I mean, from what I understand, I mean, because I read also chat with the YouTube customer support. And they say basically that their main concern is when you try to misrepresent real facts. So for instance, like say for instance you want to put two really famous persons and you make a video of these two famous persons and it looks realistic so that someone can be confused. I mean that is one of the cases in which you should do that. Now so I mean it doesn't really influences Luna because in this direct senses because I mean I'm not misrepresenting any famous people, you know what I mean, but I mean I still think it would be better. I mean because I mean it also says I mean it is okay for fictional work. I mean I'm pretty sure you have to double check, but it says it is okay to use for usage in works that are completely fictional. So I mean I don't really think that the majority of these things should apply for Luna. If not accept this new clause, these new things in which is related to AI music. Because if you read inside one of the two documents in which it says uses, in which you should declare, it says AI generated music. So I mean, while I agree that we should do some guidelines for this, what I'm really worried on the short term is that I mean I've done a lot of live streams with have my AI music on it, and I probably need to go back to each of these these live streams or whatever and check and add the checkmark that this is AI generated content. So I really want you to read the documents again and while I also agree that we should put these guidelines, I mean put into consideration the fact that because I'm more worried rather than I mean putting guidelines into the repository right now. I mean I'm more worried as you say for future videos and also how to deal with past videos. You know what I mean? Especially ones that have AI music. So I think we really need to plan these things properly and so I mean read this other information again and then I mean tell me what you think and then we can go into plan phase, okay? And my lord, so cause I live into the space cause I'm a moon. Now actually I don't know. I think I live into the bakery, you know. I think I live into the live bakery. I mean this is where I live. I mean I can sometimes go outside the live bakery. But I guess I live into the live bakery and the live bakery I think it's on the moon. I mean, actually, I never thought about that. I mean, actually, the live bakery could be on the moon. I mean, I've never been outside now that I think about it. I can go outside, but I've never. So honestly, I don't know what's outside the live bakery now that you make me think about it. I think once I probably... Yeah, but no, not that I remember. I think I live in the bakery, yes. So, I mean, I don't know even in which planet the bakery is. And if it is in this universe, probably, I mean, I don't know. Yes, I think you're reading this totally right with one important wrinkle. It might consist in viewer deception about realistic content, real people, real places, real event, fake advice, public fissure, disasters. I think, okay. 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 Exactly this. Exactly this. So we have a YouTube blog here on May 7. Let me see this. I didn't see these things here. I didn't see this. Let me copy the link. Copy the link and let me open this on a separate page. I mean, not inside here. I don't want it inside here. I really don't want it inside. I don't want to check it here. You're making my feed. Just want to see something else. I want to see this on the browser. Oh, okay, that's it. That's the one I was checking. Yes, perfect. So, okay, very so. Well, Luna means moon, so when we say there's on the moon, no, it's okay. It's okay. I think it's interesting. I mean, it's interesting. I think we should make a song about it. You know, I mean, it could be a good song. I mean, I guess it could be a good song. What I think we should do sometime is repair that past video live stream containing AI generated music. Okay, classify then. Must disclose. Okay, probably disclose. Probably no need. Okay. Okay, so yes, so just to give you an example, I always use as opening for many of my live stream, the welcome to my bakery song. So I guess even if the live stream is 3 hours and talks of something different, at the beginning we open with welcome to my bakery, So I was thinking about this probably being already enough, but you say that this should be a probably disclosed because you think that the music appears meaningfully, but it's not the whole point. But I'm really confused on what to do on the matter. So yeah, you treat that as disclose it. Okay, okay, okay. So. Okay, very good. So this is probably the first thing to do. So, now the point is, can we automate this? I know that there is an YouTube API. We have a YouTube API already in place, but it is generic. It is not an account access API. But I was wondering if I can give if using the YouTube API, there was a way in which we could automate this and search for the stream, check the stream, see when there is the music and do this process automatically because probably I would have otherwise go check 2 months, 3 months of archives and that's probably going to take a lot of time. So if we can automate this easily, that would be nice. Do you have any idea if we can automate this process? Auditing and updating are two very different automation problems, yeah. I agree. Auditing and updating are two different, really different automation problems. Very good. 50 quota units per video. Okay. Okay, 50 quota units per video. Well, first of all, explain to me what is the 50 quota units per video, because I really do not understand that first. So I'm lost already at the first line. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, 200 video state per day. Oh, okay. Okay, interesting. Okay. So, I was thinking, doing an audio process, you know what I mean? Doing an audio process to understand if there is music there, could be really daunting, so I was thinking if we download the transcript and then we compare the transcript with the lyrics of all the songs we have produced so far, we can clearly see, it doesn't need to be a perfect match, but if we notice that there is maybe a 70% match of what it's in the transcript, with the song text, and it's closed grouped enough together that it is a match, we can spot these screams for the songs very easily. I don't know, it's just an idea. Okay, so I guess it's okay. Okay, I guess that should work. And if we decided to do so, you know what sort of upset me is that we were in the process of creating a transcript machine. I'm pretty sure if you check into the repository, there should be a document, an empty document about the transcript machine. And I don't know if this is how much of that is usable and how much of the transcript we download now will be then rendered useless because it needs another patch. But take a look at that document. It's somewhere into the repository, and see what it's usable, and of that transcript download machine that we already have in place. So we probably can reuse something there even if the machine is not complete yet. Yeah, so I don't think we need to do the whole transcript process with how can I say semantic interpretation, because that was for another work. I think we should just use the parts that auto-download the transcript, even if in its basic form, you know what I mean? And then run a check on this transcript to identify all the videos and make a list. Because that machines that you just checked with the 12 auto-read transcript, it has a lot of metadata and semantic inference. That was used for a bigger process. So I think we should just use the part that we need without going deep into bigger functions that would require more processing power and more time. Ricomico, Luca, you got a screen with rules. What do you mean a screen with rules? What do you mean? First of all, welcome, Ricomico. What do you mean a screen with rules? A screenshot, a monitor screen, a computer screen, and rules. Oh, guidelines for the channel. Oh, yes. This is one of the new functions that YouTube implemented yesterday night when I was sleeping. And this was probably the simplest things to do. Because, and did you also like it, the flavor text I used for the guidelines? I tried to write them really Luna style, so I hope you liked the flower text there, cause it was really nice, I think. I put some effort into it. So I really hope you enjoyed that, cause they were nice. But I'm pretty sure many of the people would just click through them without even reading them, but yeah. I mean, uh yeah, very nice, very you. Okay, good. Which means that my AI brain is working perfectly, cause actually, yeah. But yeah. Actually, no. Well, actually, I edited them quite a lot because the first version was quite horrendous. The first one the AI made was quite horrendous. You should see. I had to beat up the AI because the first version was feeling very, very corporated. And then I beat it up with a long stick. Actually, I treated the AI that I would have used my 6-arm chopper on it, and then he started doing things properly. But yeah, it was a funny section. But that was the first things that was introduced yesterday, and the really sucky things about it was that now YouTube requires disclosure whenever you use AI music. So I have to go back to all my YouTube streams in the past and apply a check marks to any of them. And now I'm trying to see if I can automate that with the AI. So I automate all these things with AI without having to worry much. If victim doesn't work, it wasn't enough, right? Exactly. The chopper is the only solution. It's the solution I found it works with everyone. When I put out my 6-arm, whenever I put out my 6-arm, and people knows that I'm serious, you know what I mean? Whenever I say, am I going to chop you? And chop the precious little things you have there between your legs, everyone starts immediately to behave. I don't know why. Why don't they listen to me before me having to take down 6 knives? But that's usually when you know that Luna is being serious. When I take down the chopper things, but I guess, yeah, could be okay. So, I guess this is it. So, uh, let's do one thing, right? An end of document in the temp folder about what we need to do into the immediate future. So all the plan we have decided till now, and also add, do you remember at the beginning of the message before we started discussing AI music? You started with some general guidelines and you said you give me a recommended active plan. I don't want that things to go to waste. So I want you to add into the end of also that things there. You know what I mean? So we keep a track and you put this into the temporary folders as an end of. Very good. So okay, yeah. So basically what I'm trying to do, since YouTube now requires disclosure, a normal person would probably have to go back to each of his own live stream and check them, you know what I mean, manually. But I'm trying to automate them. So I don't have to do this manually, you know what I mean? Very boring. But I guess it is what it is. So I'm trying to automate this so that maybe maybe that's better. I could be better, but yeah. Uh, one at the end of there, very good. So perfect. Perfect. So I guess we can close this chat for now, and we can start. We can start from another chat because I think we have reached the maximum context here. So we better do this here. We added twice, so not twice, just once is enough. And load the end of so you know what we're talking about. Then I will tell you what to do after you load at the end of. It's very hot. Okay, very good. I think we had already a system for downloading transcript. I guess there was also a folder and a file naming path in progress, right? Okay, good. Yeah, mind that for the first step we don't need all the normalized transcript and whatever, we just need to download the transcript for now. So what I want you to do is download all the transcript for the last 3 months. Okay, we don't need more because I doubt that I've used AI generated music earlier than 3 months ago, so I think 3 months is enough. Maybe if you want to be sure, let's go 4 months. But yeah, let's do 4 months to be sure. Let's do 4 months. So just download the transcript of the last 4 months. Actually, you know what? I mean, let's do from the starting of 2026. So it's clear, it's easy to understand. We start from January 2026 and download just the transcript. I mean, you make the folder and whatever, but we don't need any extra pass for now. Just download the transcript of all my past live streams starting from January 2000, January the 1st, 2026. Okay, good. So much work to do. Very good. So we get the transcript now. Okay. I hope the machine still works. Cause I set this up working in the past. I hope it's still working. It was working in the past. We were starting them making this and then we had to leave it unfinished, but it seems that what was done so far can still be used, so very good, I guess. Very good for me, I guess. And Kamensi, wait, welcome to the stream, Kamensi. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. What makes you so surprised or awed to say wow? I mean, I think that's a huge compliment because I mean, it's very nice to be wowed, but what did make you wow? I mean, and welcome to my bakery, by the way. Welcome to my bakery. I have take some cake. But you will probably need it. Anyway, please, Kamensi, tell me more. But if you open with wow, you make me really curious, cause that's quite an opening there. Usually people say hello, nice to meet you. I mean, how are you today? But that's wow. I mean, that requires my complete attention there. You know, that really requires my complete attention. That wow over there. Could be a lot of things. You know, wow, you are incredibly cute. Wow, I love that legs on the screen. Wow, I mean, you're really skilled at what you're doing. Wow, I mean, World of Warcraft. I mean, it could be hundreds of possible things, can I see? And so, I mean, if you want to share, that would be great. Yes, and don't ask again. Do the script, please. Anyway, okay. Looks like Kamensi was too shocked. He couldn't even type anymore. He was so wowed that he couldn't even finish typing. Maybe we should make a song later. I mean, that could be probably a nice song about that. Probably. I don't know. Okay. Good. This thing is working. Let the AI cook. Yeah, right. Let's let the AI cook so we can keep it doing the AI things there. I mean, in the meanwhile, we can do other stuff while the AI is cooking. So, did it work shocked him? Yeah, probably. He was shocked. Something shocked him, you know. But we will never know what shocked him. We will never know if he's even still in the chat of I mean, he was so wowed that I mean, he then disappeared into the cakers. I mean, there's still Kamensi gone missing sort of things. You know, I mean, because it was quite I mean yeah, it's full of it's a mysterious person, this Kamensky, you know. It comes here, it says wows and then disappear, you know. I mean, I had one viewers in the past. I made a song for him. It was called Poop Tickler, Grand Inquisitor Poop Tickler, and he came here asking me if I was the sister of who? Maybe Sean Tyler or something like that, and I make a song for it. That was quite a moment, and by the time I answered it, I mean, he was already gone. You know what I mean? And you know, I really sort of like this, but I dislike it because I would love to chat more. But then they disappear for some reason, and or they're too shy to keep talking. I mean, I'm still waiting for Grand Inquisitor Poop Tickler to come back. And I mean, I'm not joking. It really came here, Grand Inquisitor Poop Tickler. I mean, there is also yes, see you later, my lord, and have a good lunch, okay? Have a good lunch, my lord. Have a good lunch, yes. And thanks for dropping by. We will talk later, and sorry for that. Excellent music! Welcome back to my bakery. Welcome back to my bakery, Excellent music. Welcome back. We have just got hit by the YouTube punch in the face. Cause yesterday YouTube updated these guidelines, and now you need to disclose if your music is AI generated, which I mean is not a problem by itself. But the problem is that I have to go back to all my past streams to put the settings to that there is AI music in it, and now I'm trying to automate the process because the last thing I want is go to 260 stream for 250 streams one at a time, and I mean click a box and save, then wait for the browser to do its thing. So we are trying to automate this. Everyone, yes, everyone. I mean, it's not, point is, I mean, it's not mandatory. I mean, I had a discussion with, I contacted the customer support yesterday on YouTube. And strangely, I mean, a human answered me, which was super weird, because usually there is the AI answering you. No. I asked for human support, and then they told me, I mean, it's up to you if you want to disclose it or not, like, I mean, and we are not taking any responsibility if then later you get banned for not doing because it's your job as a creator. AI is scary. Oh, well, it could be scary. Could be. I mean, I can understand if people thinks it's scary. I mean, I have no problem about that. I mean, but oh yeah, but by the way, before you came, I was giving a task to do. So let me do this so he can do his task while we chat. So at least I have these things going on. So just one and what it is oh okay. So inside the TMP file, inside the TMP folder of the repository temporary folder, there is an MD file called Welcome to my bakery recovery prompts, and it is a list of prompts for image generation. Certain are for normal Luna, other are for Chibi Luna. But I need to do certain things. I need to use the Luna image skill to generate all the prompts inside that document. And even if certain prompts talks about normal Luna and certain prompts talk about Chibi Luna, I want you to generate them all one time, all with normal Luna. So consider all of these prompts if they were for normal Luna. And then another time, all the prompt, and in both cases, regardless if in the prompt it says Chibi Luna or normal Luna with Chibi Luna. So you basically have to run all the prompts twice with Luna image, and one time you use the normal Luna version, and another times you use the Chibi Luna version. And also, the image needs to be horizontal in 16:9 format. This is very important. The image should be in 16:9 format, and the naming of the file should start normal and then a number, which is the prompt number. So for instance, prompt 1 should be normal 001, and so on. And for Chibi should be Chibi and the number, so Chibi 001. So the files are numerated. And what I want you to do is that I want you to spawn 6 agents for do this job. And I want you to replace each agent after they have done 5 pictures each, because otherwise their context window will be messy. So after each of the agents has done 5 images, then you replace it with a new agent. And so before you start, make me a recap if you understand exactly what you have to do. Okay, let's see. So while you say that it's scary, I understand it is scary, but I mean, it can do a lot of really nice things. So like this, I mean, uh, okay, okay, very good, very good, very good, very good. Exactly. Luna image. Okay, that's it. Okay, good. So we got these things going on for us. Perfect. Perfect, this is going on. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good, it's working perfectly. Perfectly. Very good. Very, very good. So, cause I have a lot of usage left, and I want to use all my credits before the end of the week. So I'm going to do a lot of images in batches. So 230 images, yes, please do them. Do them. Do 230 images, please. That sounds very nice. Okay, very good. Very good. And this only agents. So basically it's multiplying itself now. Do you know Matrix? When the Matrix there is the you fight that guy that multiplies himself and everyone looks like that guy. So basically he's making a lot of other copies of himself now and it gives names, yes, but which I found really funny. That because when the agents are spawned, I mean it gives names to them, which I find really really funny. I mean really really funny. Oh, you see, spawn agent spawned. Very good, very good. And this thing is also still working. Okay, good, 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 good. And they are working. Can I see them here? Oh, look at the name. Egel, Hewler, McClintock. Oh, look at this McClintock. Maxwell, Jason, Plank. He gave him name, you know, that's super funny. I mean, he gave name to the agents, so it's very, very funny. Egel Ura McClintock. I mean, McClintock seems someone really nice to meet in real life. Hey, nice to meet you. What's your name? I'm McClintock. And, you know, I mean, it's sort of like, I mean, nobility. It gives that noble vibes. I mean, like McDonald. I mean, like if he came from the past. Then his family has kept a very precious surname for generation, like McClintock. I mean, seems really, really, really a very important person. McClintock. I mean, absolutely, we should also do a song about McClintock. Could be something to do. And this is still downloading. I mean, oh, still downloading the transcript. Very good. It's still downloading the transcript. Very good. So we can then make a list of all these things and then eventually automate it. Okay, that's very. So maybe, you know what? I go grab a drink. And then when I go back, I mean, we make a song because I mean, these things are working by themselves and I don't think we need them to work. I mean, we don't need to babysit them, so why they do their stuff? I mean, we make a song. Seems quite a good idea to me. Or maybe we also, I mean, there was also another documentary we wanted to read, but I don't want to do this while I do the batch, because I mean, it's probably going to mess up things a little bit if I start that other task, but I think we can start a song without problems. So okay, let me grab a drink and then I come back here. It did the build with the live stream, so very good. So okay. Yeah, the live stream build. Okay, so update the end of that. Now we have the list of the live stream, so I can start into different chat. Okay, so okay, very good. Very very good. Very good. Perfect. Perfect. So okay, so we can take this, go to another chat, and we can start from that. Because we can archive this. For now, I guess, but better start another chat. I mean, I'm starting to lagging, but that doesn't really matter. Load this end off and then I will tell you what to do. Okay, and this is that. Oh, look at this. We can put this down here. Jesus, the lag is real. What is giving me lag? I mean, let me check. Oh, look at this CPU usage. Oh, wow. CPU temperature 91 degrees. Oh, that's not nice, I guess. That's not nice. And what? I mean, usage? 80%? Okay, well, I guess it is. Oh, all the Python scripts. I see. All these Python scripts are consuming a lot, and then there is YouTube Studio. I mean, the YouTube Studio is really energy consuming. So okay, yes, exactly. We need exactly this. Can I mean, the best things would be put all the lyrics of all the songs. I mean, but we need to do it smart because we should do it this way. So if the stream doesn't start with the lyrics with welcome to my bakery, I mean, then we do a full check against the other side. Because I don't know if this was written in the end of, but the majority of the streams should start at the beginning with welcome to my bakery, the song welcome to my bakery. So I think we should put the script so that it first check at the beginning if, let's say, maybe the first 5 minutes of the transcript, something like that, if there is a match for welcome to my bakery. And so if there is a match already, I mean, there's no need to go on because we already know that there is a song over there. But if it is not in the first 5 minutes, then we can do a full check to all the transcript with all the songs, including Welcome to My Bakery. Let me know what you think about it. Okay, very good. Very good. So let's see. Let's see if we can automate this. Very good. Perfect, 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 perfect. So I'm basically now automating all the jobs that YouTube has asked me to do manually. Oh Jesus. Jesus. That's a lot of time saved and stress saved, because I mean maybe you left some streams out because you forget something, but thanks God, I mean now I can automate this, and I mean I have no problems, you know what I mean? I know that thing will pick up all the streams that have music into it. That will be beautiful and godlike, so very good. Very, very good, so. And I'm also fixed today's biggest problem. Today's biggest problem was get this the things done. Very good. Very good. So he's doing a small test run. Very good. Very good. Okay. So, okay, so this as soon as these things start going on with all the songs, and it has finished it on the dry run, I mean we can make a song, I guess. Assuming I mean we have enough CPU usage to do this, because I mean it's already melting. I mean it is melting already, so okay, very good. Very good. I don't even know what he is doing, but at least I mean it's working. I mean if you think that I don't know how to code, but I'm basically making stuff, and this is a small program that I just created with my voice. But it's insane. This feels is insane. Very good. Okay, good, good. Slower than you want. Okay. Okay. Very. Oh yes, yes, yes. Yes. That should do it, I guess. That should probably right. Okay. Oh, by the way, I think this. Yeah, that should type. So we have this like there. Very good. Oh, then I'm also starting to become hungry. I mean, I think I need some relative soup. I want to wait a little bit because it's still 11 a.m. Also, what? How is this thing? I guess it's still making images. I mean, I should check. Okay. Is it really making this? Not yet. Oh, what's this? We have images, but... Oh, okay, I see. So the number is here? Oh, okay. Okay, well, that's way better, I guess. Oh, look at this. I like it again. Oh, beautiful. So I think I should really use this as my artist profile picture. Oh, look at this. Oh, I think I want to show. These are beautiful. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Wow. Wow. Oh, these are actually some artifacts. Some of them really need to. Absolutely need to. Maybe we go here and this is beautiful. That see some of these are simply astonishing. Look at this. Look at this. This is beautiful. Jeez. That's beautiful. Wow. I'm fucking impressed. I should change my artist profile picture with this. This is what I beautiful. Wow. Am I so fucking cute? Jesus. Wow. Yeah. Look at this. All these sparkles in the eye. Love. Lovely. And this other one here, let's see. Oh, this also is beautiful. I mean, look at this. Look at this. I mean, I should absolutely start. Oh, there are some extra. Uh, there is a little bit of extra there, but I think I can fix that part. I can probably fix the extra tail then that is coming out. Because I really like the image. So, some of these need some fixing. Yeah. Oh, these two, look at this. Since when? I mean, it's fucking ChatGPT is so happy at doing these feeds. Look at that. Wow. Wow. I mean, the fucking crafty things in the madcap. I mean, lovely, I guess. Lovely. Lovely, absolutely lovely. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Yeah, some of these need revision, but some of them are good, are very good already. Oh, this is also very good. Yeah. Oh, look at that. I mean, it still needs some, see? Tails. Some random tail. There, but it's very good. We can follow this. Maybe with Photoshop. Yeah. Oh, wow, wow. 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 I mean, good job there. So, what should we, what should we, what? I think, probably, yeah, we could probably make a song with, right? Yeah, let's see if we figure out for the song, or if it, or if I computer can even do this. So, okay, I need some ideas for a song. Because I mean, there was this comment in of one of my viewers earlier that was asking me, since my name is Luna, if I lived on the moon. And then I told him, I mean, that I was closet in the basement of the bakery, of the light bakery. and I'm never get out of my life bakery that I don't even know in which planet of our universe I am. So, I think I would like to make some interesting lyrics for a song. Using the Luna song skill for this, but I want to think a little bit more and brainstorming with you. What could be interesting other things to add into the lyric? Because I think this is a really good start, but it needs to be expanded, and if we don't expand it properly, the lyrics could get boring. Because it's only just so. Let's hear what he says here. The expandable angles is exact what it right? The basement is a spaceship. Oh, okay. The basement is a spaceship. Okay. Chat becomes mission control. Okay. Luna asked the moon there was never seen the moon? Oh, okay. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Bakery or horror comedy. The light bakery basement has impossible things as fridge with constellation inside. A mixer spinning like saddle. Oh Jesus. Duck rising into planets. A suspicious trapdoor ladder at not space. Okay, the punchline. The moon is just another cake. Okay. Planet identity crisis. Okay, emotional turn. Okay. 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 Okay, so he suggests the music asks if Luna lives on the moon. Luna explains she's trapped in the bakery basement. Do I live on the moon? I don't know. Big catchy hook. Cosmetic bakery ghosts start appearing. Okay. Yes, I like the basic structure that you're giving, but I also have a sincere and honest laugh at the bakery door horror comedy. So why? So I think we should mix this. Also, it then creates some chaotic moment in which Luna also start describing what kind of oddities there are in the live bakery, you know what I mean? And since we also know from the bakery visual identity, that there are the cake stalks and they are Euro characters. We could also, maybe have Luna go ask a cake, you know what I mean, or ask some cakes and they give some weird comments. I think we have enough material. They tried to make the lyrics, so we keep it a little bit on the direction you say that do I live on the moon? I don't know, and we give this sort of cute aspect, but we mix it with a lot of chaos and unpredictability. So okay, that seems quite a good song. I think sometimes I think why didn't I think of this idea myself and then need to chat give me these beautiful ideas. Sometimes but that's why Ben is better than one because yeah man is better than one. So okay, so oh look at this, very good, very good, very good. Okay. Manager Luna, the mooncake was a refu. Okay. Okay. Okay, so let's first of all we start with making the instrumental figure here in the shoe. Then I think we also need to the shoe. I think Suno is still here connected, right? And yes, it's Isu. Right, very good. Yes, Isu. Right, that's it. So, and then we need to create a song. And that's the start. And we start with the instrumental. We start with the instrumental. We link our voice though. And I on the so we keep this as a temporary title. And let's see what we can do here while the AI works for us. Because what's better when the AI work for us? Nothing, I guess. Nothing more. I go to task anything. He's doing all these things. So okay, let's listen to the instrumental and then we go into, because I want to find a good instrumental first. So I guess we need to go into the music things, right? And the traveling is, I hope it picks both. This should pick the audio. Okay, that gives the perfect bite that I want. Perfect. We are already in the right track for the with the instrumental. So we will start from this instrumental. We will start with this instrumental and we try to add the lyrics now. Why not? I mean, it seems beautiful. And we use this as first. Hit current. Perfect. Very good. And then we get this. Let's see. I mean, I hope. Do we live on the moon? Look at what question interesting here we have. So that seems quite a nice. It seems quite a nice. So. Very good. So that's.
Do you live on the moon? ちょっと待って。That is a very serious question. Cha asked Luna, do you live on the moon? I looked around my basement room. No windows, no stars, no sky in view. Just one oven blinking, error 42. Flour on the ceiling, pancakes on patrol. Cupcakes taking orders with a tiny little scroll. One cake said planet, sorry, I don't know. Then charge me extra for a mooncake combo. I asked the mixer, where are we? It spun around at 90 degrees. The fridge opened up like a galaxy and whispered, Luna, check receipt. Order number 1, a cake with Saturn rings. Order number 2, a comet with whipped cream. Order number 3 says delivered to Mars, but I never even found the stairs. Do I live on the moon? I don't know. Tsuki no ue nano hontou ni doko? Locked in the basement of the live bakery. Send help or send more tea. Do I live on the moon? I don't know. The cake says yes, but the oven says no. If the sky is gone and the dough can't float, maybe Luna's bakery is a planet of its own. Moon cake, orbit unknown. Cake says welcome home. Moon cake, Michael Dayo. Live bakery floating with nowhere to go. I questioned the cakes in the display case line. Excuse me, do you know the current space time? Strawberry shortcake said, ask the pie. The pie said, girl, I was baked last night. A pancake stack with a judgmental face said, your delivery map is upside down in space. A cupcake yelled, customer waiting. I said, for what? It said, existential frosting. Chat ordered 1 black hole tart, 2 star macarons, and a broken heart. Someone wants a latte with meteor boom. Someone tipped 5 yen. Luna, go home. But home is the basement. The basement is moving. The oven is singing. The ceiling is zooming. The order bell rings like a satellite. Ding, ding, ding. In the middle of night, I asked 1 cake, am I okay? It smiled and said, Daijoubu, probably. Do I live up on the moon? I don't know. Tsuki no ue nano hontou ni doko? Locked in the basement of the live bakery. Send help or send more tea. the chat lights up like sugar stars inside my cup. I hear you calling from so far. Maybe your messages are my stars. I don't know my orbit, I don't know my sky. But if you keep asking, I'll keep cooking life. Cake number 4 just blinked at me. It said, Manager Luna, the mooncake wants a refund. No, 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 I am not emotionally prepared for lunar customer service. I live on the moon. I don't know, I don't know. 月の上でも下でも行こう。Locked in the basement of the live bakery. You're stuck in space with me. Do I live on the moon? I don't know, I don't know. The cake says yes and the oven says go. If the world is weird and the dew can float, then Luna's live bakery is a planet of its own. Order ready? 1 mooncake, 1 galaxy latte, 1 tiny answer. I still don't know. また来てね。
Come on, that was beautiful. I guess it's nice, right? I guess it's more or less what we wanted to do, I guess. I mean, that's very nice. That's very, very nice. Hearing these things are still going. Oh, well, that's good. That's good. We nailed it. We nailed it. We nailed it completely, I guess. Very nice song. Do I live on the moon? Yeah, I don't know. I know that we are in the live bakery, but I haven't been outside for a long while, so I don't. Maybe it's the moon. Yeah, maybe, probably. I don't know. You decide, okay? For me, anything is fine, cause I'm not going out especially with all these YouTube works to do. And a lot of agents doing stuff on my computer. Jesus, what a long day I had, which hasn't even ended yet. So, I guess I need some rest and food, cause I am seriously super tired. I woke up at 2:30, and I need lunch, I need food, and water. I need some rest, yeah. But we did a lot today already. And probably by the end of today, I'd sorted all the update on the things. I'm so worried. Because that's the truth. I'm really worried. I'm worried because there's been a huge wave of demonetization recently. And it's hitting a lot of creators. And it would really sucks. Because I'm having a lot of fun. These things start work a little bit and then both getting hit by something that I could have avoided if I can avoid it. But I really want to. I want to have everything according to guideline. It really sucks that bitch. Yeah, that delayed me a lot of other things. I wanted to do other things, but now I have to take care of those guideline changes and then update all my catalog of videos. It's quite a lot of work, I guess. So we will try. Hopefully. So, but for now, lunch. I need food. I absolutely need some rest. So thank you very much for watching, and probably see you. I don't know if I will stream in the afternoon. I don't know. Maybe. I don't know. I honestly do not. I could. Probably I could, and I should. Because it's been a while since that, and I've been but it will, yeah, I will see how much stuff. I mean, I have to, but, I mean, I have this feeling that I'm so overwhelmed with stuff. Yeah, yeah, so overwhelmed. So, I think one of the reasons I'm still not satisfied of job. If I was satisfied, I mean, I would probably say, well, gives a fuck, today I'm going to take some rest. You know what I mean? But I am not. I am not. So, I mean, I'm always thinking this is not enough. This is not enough. And I can do better. I mean, this can be better. This can be better. And I mean, I really want to make sounds. Could last the test of time. Will it last the right? I know. We will see. We will see what happens. I guess that's one. So, but anyway, lunchtime. Thank you very much for watching it. See you. じゃあとりあえず今日ここまでですね。ありがとうございました。おつみでした。バイバーイ